Cook and Lose Weight, Delicious Diets is the book we're all been looking for. Recipes, techniques, hacks, with videos to completely show how to lose weight and eat delicious food at the same time. The flavors from herbs, spices, fruit, nuts, and seeds are what guarantee delicious diets and high nutritional values. Foods your body will absorb and allow you to lose weight while still being strong and glowing. Few ingredients with high quality create amazingly easy recipes. Some recipes like salmon al pesto, tuna tartare, and roasted chicken you can make with no previous cooking experience. Clear guidance will transport you through your new life of eating and losing weight in a healthy and plant-filled meal, so low in calories that you can eat all you want. With Chef Pachi's Delicious Diets, a complete basics chapter with all of Chef Pachi's hacks, so your kitchen becomes the place to go to. Get your book now, your ebook or your printed book. Best if both. Never leave home without it. Create flow in your life with Cook and Lose Weight Delicious Diets. Remember, Cook and Lose Weight Delicious Diets is the book for you.